morning, everyone.
Good morning.
What does freedom mean to you as an entrepreneur? Rinku, can I hear from you?
Yes, for me, freedom would be not being tied to a 9 to 5 job and getting time to be more productive when I want to really do it. And otherwise, spend time with my family, charging myself, traveling. So that would be the exact freedom.
Thank you so much. Adarsh, can I hear from you?
The ability to work from anywhere globally is a significant aspect of freedom for me. Whether from a beach, a cabin, or a city, it's incredibly empowering to be able to sit anywhere and run your business anywhere.
Great. Gitanjali?
For me, freedom means being able to exercise my ideas, to make change in the world, to be able to pivot according to the market, experiment and ensure that I'm creating impactful changes.
Absolutely. Preeti?
Freedom to me as an entrepreneur is about the right balance between work and life. It is about me being able to prioritize my relationship, my health, and the people who matter to me, and not compromise on the success of business at the same time.
Thank you so much for your wonderful inputs. Now, in order to have time flexibility or geographical mobility or work-life balance, don't you think that your business should first run on an autopilot mode? Whether your presence is there or not, your business should go on. Today I am here to share with you my personal journey of being a hands-on supermarket owner to a franchise owner of Wonder Diamonds, which mostly runs on autopilot. So a few years ago, I owned a supermarket, as you know, called Kartavya. And I did, like most of you, I was involved in every aspect of business. I was doing the marketing, I was doing the accounting, I was hiring staff, I was managing inventory and whatnot. My business was doing very well, but my life wasn't, because I was working very hard, not very smart. And the tipping point came was when I fell sick and I could not function. Everything came to a standstill because of my absence. That is when I realized that I must be in the business, I must create a business which would function without my personal attention all the time, which didn't require me for every minute detail. That's when I discovered Wonder Diamonds, which is not only innovative, but also it helped me put in a lot of strategies and processes into place. The first thing I did was, as I told you, implement a lot of systems and processes. So from customer, service protocols to inventory management, everything was documented. It was SOPs for everything, from opening the showroom till the closing of the showroom in the night. Everything was standardized. The second thing I did was embrace delegation. What I did was hire professionals who would implement whatever systems and processes I had documented, so that the team would function even in my absence. Automation, from monitoring my showroom in my absence to sending offers to customers, everything was automated and it saved a lot of my time. And there's less of human intervention when everything is automated. I have seen in Colonel Sharma's office also how things are automated and how things go systematically in process, because I've seen his clinic, I have utilized his services, and I'm sure he resonates with what I say. And I'm sure that's the same with Rajakumar sir or V Kumar sir, because they manage to do a lot of things in BNI, they manage their business, and they also dabble with a lot of other things apart from their business. So after that, what did I do? I started having marketing experts who helped me give visibility to my brand. And in spite of running on autopilot mode, you need to have proper audits every now and then to check if there is anything wrong. And I also partnered with Reliable Logistics, who helped me transport everything seamlessly. So my dear friends, I transferred from being an operator to a strategist. This helped me grow my business. And I'm sure each one of you sometimes feel overwhelmed with a lot of things to do in your business. I request you to implement some of these principles so that you have a lot of time on your hands to do things which you like. It can be probably scaling the growth in your business or take a vacation. I have found my freedom as an entrepreneur. Have you? Thank you.